Hey guys, welcome back to my channel once again. I feel like there's something in my eye. So today I wanted to do I went to Target not wanting to buy anything, honestly. Like I was like, okay, I had an appointment this morning for a massage and I was like, okay, I'm kind of early. I'm just gonna go into Target and just window shop, guys, window shop, okay? I wasn't gonna buy anything. But I was trying to avoid the makeup section. I was trying to avoid the makeup section because this happened, you guys. Like I have the Siennas and the chocolate palette by Profusions, and this was the one that I was missing, you guys. And look at these colors though. Like, look at that. Look at all these colors. Yeah, you guys, this one also comes with a brush just like the other two do, and it is also $10, $9.99. Like I said, I think they are sold out online, but you can always go to your Target and go buy yourself one. So, as you can see, I already had done my eyebrows, take forever to do, and I prepped my eyes, and I used MAC's Soft Ochre Pro Longwear Pink Pot. So it's like my go-to, you guys. It's amazing. Okay, guys, so I got you really, really close to me. That way you guys can see what I am doing to my eyes. So let's get started. Okay, so going with my Sigma E 35 brush. This is just a blending brush. I'm going to go in with Fling. Sounds weird. And then I want to see if you guys can see. Yeah. And you kind of just blend out that color as much as you can because this is your transitioning color. I always gotta check if I'm recording because every time I hit the button, I think I hit it and I just don't. So weird. Then you blend that out as much as you can. You guys, I love Profusions. Like I rave about it all the time. Ever since Target started to carry it, oh my gosh. I was like, what is this? And how come I did not know about this? Okay, guys, so now going with the Sigma's small taper blending brush in E45. I'm going to go in with Devoted. And actually this was the color that I was telling you guys. That's kind of like a reddish purpley one. And you just apply it on the crease. Because you're going to blend it out anyways. And like I said, you use as much as you want. Really liking this color. Making sure that you guys can see what I'm doing actually. Okay, you guys, so now going with Sigma's Large Fluff E50 brush, and this thing is humongous. I'm going in with Rush. I had applied everything else and just kind of pat it on there. And then going back with the brush that we use the translucent powder in. The transitioning color. I'm just kind of blending that out. Then with the same brush, the large, well, whatever you can find, honestly, that works best for you. We're gonna get into Atomic. And kind of apply that on my lid. Just so that it gives it something else, and you can blend it with another brush as well. And of course, you guys see that it's not really going on there just because I already have some eyeshadow on the bottom. So it's not really meant to be super duper like on there like the other ones are. It's just to kind of give it a different shine to it, that's all. I'm really liking this, you guys. I always do like bold, either bright or really super dark colors. I don't know why. I always end up going to that for that. Now I'm gonna really quickly just go put on my lashes. I'll be right back. There you go, you guys. I just went ahead and put on my lashes. I usually do eyeliner. Eyeliner is my thing. Eyeliner is what I go to all the time every time I do a look. But given that I really wasn't feeling like eyeliner today, and honestly, I'm really liking this look with no eyeliner on. Sound like I said nylon. I really, really, really love it. Next, you guys, I'm gonna put my NYX Honey Do Me Up base, of course, on my face. And as you can tell, you guys, like, I need to buy another one. Okay. And I usually like to use brushes when I apply bases. I don't like to use my hands. I'm gonna use Sigma's Dual Fiber Powder Blush F15. And even though it's for blush and all that, or powder for that matter, I don't like to use it for that. I like to use it for this because, like I said, I don't like the product to be on my hands. I don't know why. I have a weird thing with that. Next, I'm going to go in with my foundation, and I use Kat Von D's Lock-It. I am in the shade Medium 57 Warm, and using my Sonia Kashuk foundation brush, which I bought at Target. And we're just going to go away with this. And I'm probably going to spit it out for you guys anyways. For concealer, I'm going to go with Tarte's Shape Tape Light Medium. This beautiful thing. I absolutely love this, you guys. And to blend out my concealer, I'm using one of Morphe's brushes. It doesn't have a number or anything. It was actually in a set that I bought when I went to Phoenix. Their new store that they opened in Fashion Valley. Yeah, Fashion Valley. Up in Scottsdale, so I really like this brush, you guys. And I go back with my foundation brush just to kind of like blend out the harsh line that the concealer is leaving, or the brush anyways. And to set my concealer, I go in with Laura Mercier's translucent powder. It's my favorite powder, you guys. I live for this. Going with Aesthetica P12 brush. This one I got in one of my BoxyCharms. And just kind of set that down. Go a little bit over your brow. And then do the same thing on the other side. Whatever's left on the brush, I'll go over all over my face to set it. Sometimes I do that, it depends. Sometimes I don't. Once I'm done setting my concealer and whatever I have left on the brush, my face, of course, because not all the time do I do that. I'm gonna go in with NARS Casino and with one of Sonia Kashuk's brushes to just contour a little where it needs to be. And going with another Sonia Kashuk's brush just to kind of blend that out already. And do the same thing on the other side. Si pinto. Now for blush, you guys, I'm going to go in with Tarte's blush wheel, and I'm going to go in with Concept and Crafty, which is these two right here. And I don't know why I always like to mix blushes, just so that it doesn't get only one color. I'm going in with Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter, which is this one. This one is such an amazing highlighter. I love it. Like, look at that. I absolutely love it. And going in, the brush I'm going to use is Luxie's 522 tapered highlighting brush. This one I got in another one of the also boxy charms. And then you just go in. Now that I'm all done with my face, you guys, I'm going to go back in with the palette, the Pro Pigment, and I'm going to use Rush, the color Rush, with this short shader E20 Sigma brush. And just, you grab a little bit and you're going to put this under your lash line. That's done, you guys. You're going to go in with Dizzy and I'm using the brush Morphe E18, and it's just very tiny, just precise to get into the inner corner. And like I said, using Dizzy, I'm just kind of go in there and apply that, just so that your eye can pop a little. My eyes are watering. That's rare. They hardly ever do. And you're also going to use the same one for your brow bone. Now for mascara, I'm going to go in with Wonder Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. This one I only use for my bottom lashes, just because look at how tiny this thing is. Like, it's like perfect. And for my top lashes, I go in with Double Decker Lashes by Butter London, which is this beautiful thing right here. It's only 20 bucks, you guys. And this has been my go-to mascara. Like, this one I also got in one of the boxy charms, and I actually had to buy another one. I just had to. Like, I feel like it definitely just gives it that volume, you know. Now that's done with my lashes, I'm going to go in with Sonia Kashuk's lip liner, Nude. Can't even see it. And kind of just go over. And as you're outlining, you want to fill it in too. A little, because you're going to go with another one anyways. And then going in with e.l.f.'s liquid matte lipstick in the shade Blushing Rose. These are my favorite, you guys. And there you go, you guys, for the lips. I'm almost done. Well, I'm already done, but the last thing that I need is my MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. And I love this. Like, and you can see, like, I actually have to go back to, like, put it on. I am digging the matte lip color. I love it, but I want a bit more of like a glossy look on my lips. So I'm gonna go with Profusion Sparkling Lip Topper, and it's out of this beautiful palette right here. So let's go into that. Just if you want something. That is it for the look today, you guys. That is what I created with the beautiful Pro Pigment palette. When I was looking at it, I was like, I don't know what kind of look I'm gonna create, but I was like, I will think of something. So this is a look, and I love purple, you guys. Purple, I never thought I was gonna like purple as much as I do, like recent. Like I love purple a lot. So this is the look that I came up with. All of these shadows, of course, come from the Pro Pigment. I do recommend this palette, you guys. It's only 10 bucks, like I said, $9.99 at Target or online. I'm not sure. Like I said, I think they're sold out, but they will be back. But thank you so much for watching this video, you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you guys. Thank you for clicking on it. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. Hit that subscription button, you guys. Hit that bell for whenever I upload. You guys are notified to watch another of one of my videos. But yes, thank you so much, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.